Met Rain in a coffee shop that Sue take a friend's IV mom, and she said the product is so wonderful, everything is good. So in my mind I said, okay lah, I try one box. So after trying one box about 2 weeks, wow, quite good, because the moment that I take this product, I having a very severe cough and flame, and to the end of the day I left 2 packets, and my cough has been too strong already, and then it started to become like very tight inside, and after that I take 2 packets. It really gives me a very soothing inside, like I nearly get the eczema, but it seems okay. So I continually every day take 1 packet. Yeah. So I think the product is very wonderful. Yeah.
Thank you.